If the first thing your hand reaches for in the morning is coffee, just imagine this. What if you replaced it with green tea for only a few days? Coffee gives you a fast caffeine kick, but green tea, it gives smooth, steady energy. At first, it may feel strange because your body is used to strong coffee. But here's the surprising part. Green tea can give your body a calmer start to the day. It contains antioxidants and L-theanine, a compound that may help your mind stay relaxed while improving focus. That means less restlessness, more stable energy, and fewer crashes during the day. And if you continue for a few days, you may start waking up feeling fresher. Your body may even rely less on the caffeine roller coaster. So no, coffee is not bad, but if you want calm mornings and balanced energy, green tea could be a smart swap. Now tomorrow morning, what will you choose? Coffee or green tea?